I'm Alan Whiting from Outback Travel Australia, and this is Bridgestone's new D697 Dualer tyre. We're testing this new tyre on 3 Toyotas on the blacktop between Adelaide and Alice Springs, and then we'll get out into the rough stuff in the West McDonnell Ranges. Along the way, we'll give you some useful tyre hints that will help you in your own bush travels. Come along for the ride. This Land Cruiser 200 makes a great noise test bed because there's almost no engine or mechanical noise, and all we're hearing now at 110 kilometres an hour is some wind noise around the mirrors. And I'm also impressed with their ride quality on bitumen. These are big section light truck tyres, but the ride is quite gentle, and most light truck tyres give quite a harsh ride. So the Bridgestone boys reckoned that the ride quality was improved in these LT tyres, and it certainly seems like it is.